Workers are feeding coal here to keep the furnace continuously heated. These boiled rice are taken to the drawing chamber of the factory where they are thoroughly machine dried. After the rice is machine dried, it undergoes a quality check to ensure optimal moisture content. Now the rice is sorted and graded. Sophisticated optical sorters and grading machines are used to separate rice grains based on size, shape, and color. This ensures that only the highest quality rice makes it to your table. Here, these dried patties are driven through 2 rollers so that the husks on the top of the patty are burst